everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Do you want to see your balances in a different currency like USD, EUR or AUS? In this video, I will show you step by step how to change the currency displayed in the KuCoin app. So yes, let's get started. First, launch the KuCoin app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the home screen. Scroll down and find this option called Settings and tap on it. Inside Settings, tap Currency or Currency Display or Currency Preference. You will see a list of options like USD, EUR, GBP and more. Select your preferred currency. Let me go with AUD for now. And simply go back to your main screen. Now your balance and prices will show in the currency you selected. And that's it. You have successfully changed the currency display in your KuCoin app. Now you can view your balances in the currency you are most comfortable with. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.